Hi friends, it's Emily from the library. Last week at the library, we did a spooky science program with some science experiments that featured some supplies you might already have at home. We used baking soda and vinegar and some dish soap, and for a special effect, we added a few drops of food coloring. So I thought tonight I could show you those spooky science experiments in case you want to try them at home. Sounds good? All right, so let's get this glass container. Using a glass container is good because you can see the reaction happening, but you can use any kind of cup that you have at home. All right, so first I'm going to take some spoonfuls of baking soda and put them into the glass container. Let's see, I think I'll use 3 spoonfuls. All right, I'm gonna do it right over here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, 1 big spoonful, 2 big spoonfuls, and 3 big spoonfuls. Okay, now I'm going to drop in a few drops of food coloring, boop, boop, and a few squirts of dish soap. This is just regular dish soap, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna pour in a cup full of vinegar, okay? If you have vinegar, smell it. Does it smell good? No, not to me. Some people like the smell, but I don't. All right, friends, I have a tray under me in case it starts to bubble over, okay? But I wanna make sure you can see the reaction. So remember, we have baking soda, dish soap, food coloring, and vinegar. Let's see what is about to happen. Ready? Let's pour it in. Whoa. Oh my goodness, it's overflowing. Ah! This is a spooky potion here. I'm getting a little messy. Oh my goodness. This is pretty cool though. It kind of is foamy. Look. Wow. All right, friends, quickly, we're gonna try one more science experiment. So right here, I have a big flat bowl, and I'm gonna pour in some vinegar. All right, I'm pouring in the vinegar. Just enough. All right, and now I have some special things that I wonder what they are, and I bet you can help me to figure it out. I'm gonna drop in some food coloring, boop, boop, and then I'm gonna put these balls into the vinegar. What could be in this ball? It looks white, kind of powdery. I wonder what it could be. Let's try to add it in and see what happens. Whoa, I'm adding one, adding another, and adding another, and I'm stirring them around. Uh-oh, it's expanding. Uh-oh. Okay, it's not gonna overflow. Phew, oh my goodness. What could be in those balls? Oh, they're popping up. Can you tell what they are? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna move the camera so you can see. Whoa! Those are some spooky eyeballs in our witch's brew. Wow, that was pretty cool, friends. Okay, check the description below for some instructions on how you can try this at home. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.